How to enable two-factor authentication on Fortnite. For this, open up browser, go to the Epic Games Launcher sign-in page, enter your email address, click continue, enter your password, click sign in. Sometimes it will automatically asking you for set up the two-factor authentication. If it's asking means you can click set up email two-factor authentication or else set up other two-factor method. If it's not asking means then you can go inside Epic Games account successfully login. After login you need to search for password and security settings. In the left hand side you have seen the password and security. Click it and click continue. Once you clicking continue it will automatically send the code to your concerned mail ID. Open up your mail ID and check for the 6-digit security code. Enter here and click continue. The password and security settings are successfully logged. After that, you have seen the available methods: Epic Authenticator app, and email and SMS. These are the available methods of two-factor authentication. You can set up any of the following available methods. Click setup in the right hand side. Click it. Once you clicking after, it will send the security code to your concerned email. You need to open your email, check it and update here. After update, click continue. You have seen successfully set up an email as your two-factor authentication. You can set one or two-factor authentication. Next I'm going to set up the authenticator app. Click continue. If you not know the authenticator app means you need to click the authenticator app option. It will show the available apps. So you need to open up the apps and you can scan the QR code. Once scanning after, it will shows the security code. You can type the security code and click enter, and also it will give the backup code. You can download it or else copy it and you can use later, and click done. So successfully set up an app. You have seen I have enabled the two methods. So like this you can enable it. So this is how to enable the two-factor authentication. Thank you.